many hours of our lives have we wasted having to redo our cast on because we tried to join in the round and we ended up twisted? If this is you, you're in the right place. Welcome, friends. This is Jennifer, and I am here to show you probably my favorite knitting hack ever. How to never again get your cast on twisted. It's a pretty simple little trick. So all we do, and I'm going to show you here on my little Blue Ridge mitts, all we do when we do a circular cast on is we just don't join it. We go back and forth. So back and forth, oh shit, right here. So I haven't done this up. But you go back and forth, and when it's ribbing or something like that, it's simple and easy. It's a little more complicated in some patterns. All of my patterns are written this way, that you will go back and forth for, I don't know, a few rows, because you're gonna sew it up anyway. Right? You gotta sew in this tail somewhere anyway. Why not use the tail to sew that little bit together and just not worry about it? Simple. If you'd like this free mitts pattern, sign up for my email linked down below.